Welcome to another episode of Making It Keto, and today we're going to be making a peanut butter and jelly muffin. Guys, I can't explain to you how good these things are, so without further ado, let's just go ahead and get into making this thing. All right, guys, so we're going to start by adding all our dry ingredients. So first of all, we have our almond flour. We have the choice of sweetener. So guys, I use allulose, a blend. I use a blend of allulose and a blend of the monk fruit sweetener. I found this to be the best mixture, but you guys can use what you want. We're also going to be using baking powder as for our dry ingredients. So guys, once we got all this together, we're going to go ahead and mix it. Also, guys, this is a complimentary to my peanut butter strawberry jam video that I just put out, so they'll come out together. So if you're going to make this and you're looking for a jam to make this with, because you're going to need some strawberry jelly, I'll leave the link up above for my strawberry jam video. All right, moving on, guys. So now we're going to start adding in our wet ingredients. So we're going to start off with our vanilla. And then we're going to go ahead and add in our 2 eggs. Guys, if possible, try to make sure that these ingredients are room temperature. They mix better if they are. So that's just a pro tip. We're also going to add in our peanut butter. So I'll be linking all of the exact amounts in the description box below, so you guys can refer to that for measurements. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and add in our peanut butter. And we're also going to add in our almond milk. Now, guys, you can use any nut milk that you want. It don't have to be almond milk, but what I'm using here is a vanilla flavored unsweetened almond milk, and that seems to work pretty good in the recipe. So once you got all your wet ingredients together, we're going to go ahead and mix everything well. So guys, let's just take our time here and make sure we got everything mixed really well. We don't want no clumps, unmixed material or unmixed ingredients. All right, guys, so now we're going to get out our muffin pan, and you want to line them with the little muffin papers. And this recipe makes roughly 6 muffins. If you were to do the mini, you probably can get more, but I normally do just the regular size cupcakes. But you should be able to get about 6. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and add in our mixture into the cupcake liners. Alright guys, now that we have the muffin mixture divided into the pan, we're going to go ahead and take the homemade jelly, or whatever jelly you're deciding to use. We're going to take a little bit of it and just put it over the top. So on the top of each muffin, we're going to take a small amount and just drop it straight over the top. And also, guys, like I said, I have my keto jam recipe. You guys can check that out if you don't already have a jam to use or a jelly to use for this recipe. All right, now that we have the jelly, we're going to do the exact same thing with the peanut butter. So guys, you're really just using no added sugar peanut butter. I like to use the natural stuff, and I normally get the smooth texture. So yeah, just whatever peanut butter you like, just make sure it's no sugar added. All right, guys, once we've done that, we're going to go ahead and take a toothpick and we're going to swirl in the peanut butter and jelly. I don't recommend swirling it in too much to where you lose that swirl effect. I just give it a quick swirl, and this will get the jelly incorporated into the middle of the muffin. So yeah, just go ahead and swirl it in on each muffin. All right, guys, so these muffins are going to bake at 350 degrees for about 8 to 10 minutes. So keep an eye on them. But once they were out of the oven, this is what they look like. right, guys, that's it for the video. Remember the motto here, we making keto easy by making everything keto. Please like the video and subscribe to the channel because I upload new keto recipes every week. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.